Hi, I am James. This is your WCCO at the State Fair. Newscast today over in the Kidway, a Minnesota boy accidentally broke the world record for continuous rides on the mini swings. Little Joey got on the swings at 9 o'clock this morning, expecting to go around once. However, wind gust picked up and sent him spinning a record 98 times around. The deer, oh God, little dizzy but is doing fine. New world record with.
I'm Kaylin. Wood chips.
The wood chopping event had to be suspended due to a shortage of logs. A beaver that had escaped from the DNR exhibit chewed through the stack of logs in a world time. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
World time. The witness to the event was a lone woodchuck, which makes this reporter wonder, how much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Doesn't that make you think?
Yeah.
And now for your spare forecast. Thank you. What's your name?
Savannah.
All right. It's a beautiful day at the State Fair. A refreshing breeze blew through the swine barn and a cold front moved through the dairy building just in time for the butterhead carving. Water levels are quite high on the river, making the river raft ride a wild one. The sky ride is flying through partly cloudy skies, but the clouds clear out just in time for the big fireworks show over at the grandstand tonight. You gonna go to that? Yeah, you think so? All right, that's all for weather. You wave bye?
Bye.
Bye.
We hope you enjoyed today's show. I'm James.
I'm Kaylin. Savannah.
All right, say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.